What's the meaning of affinity card? Affinity card. Affinity card. Affinity card. Affinity card. Affinity card. An affinity card is a credit card that is co-branded with an organization and designed to appeal to the members or supporters of that organization. Typically, these cards offer rewards, points, or cashback for purchases and may also feature discounts or special offers from the affiliated organization. Affinity cards can help organizations build loyalty among their members and generate additional revenue through card usage. However, consumers should carefully consider the terms and fees associated with affinity cards to ensure they are getting the best value for their spending.